Discover the vibrant capital of Cambodia and experience traditional craftsmanship on this full-day private tour of Phnom Penh and Koh Dach Silk Island. Explore the city's historical landmarks, visit bustling markets, and immerse yourself in the cultural heritage of Cambodia's silk-weaving villages. Cambodia's economic and political hub, rich in historical landmarks and cultural attractions. For Phnom Penh, exploration of historical and cultural landmarks at Royal Palace and Silver Pagoda. The residence of the Cambodian royal family, featuring gold unroofed buildings and a Silver Pagoda, home to emerald and gold Buddha statues, and a floor covered with 5,000 silver tiles. Wat Phnom, a historic hilltop temple marking the founding site of Phnom Penh and offering panoramic city views. Independence Monument, a symbol of Cambodia's independence from France in 1953, also serving as a memorial for the country's war heroes. Wat Nalam, the spiritual headquarters of Cambodian Buddhism, home to an ancient eyebrow hair relic of Buddha. Central Market Surthmi, a colonial-era Art Deco market, one of the most famous shopping destinations in Phnom Penh, where you can browse for souvenirs, jewelry, textiles, handicrafts. Continue to Koh Dach Silk Island. Enjoy a scenic drive and ferry ride to Koh Dach Silk Island, located along the Mekong River, just outside of Phnom Penh, and visit traditional silk weaving centre at Koh Dach is renowned for its silk weaving industry, where you can witness artisans crafting traditional silk sarongs, kramas scarves, and whole fabrics using age-old techniques. Next, explore a Buddhist monastery, and, if school is in session, interact with students at a local school. Contact us for your trip to Cambodia.